The parallels between Akasha and the Prima Materia of the Alchemists by Dave Marsland of Cardiff Theosophical Society. The parallels between Akasha and the Prima Materia of the Alchemists are a fascinating topic that has intrigued scholars and practitioners for centuries. Both concepts originate from ancient traditions and have been the subject of extensive exploration and interpretation. To begin the exploration, it is essential to understand the historical origins and cultural context of Akasha and the Prima Materia. Akasha, a term derived from Sanskrit, is a fundamental concept in Hindu and Buddhist cosmology, referring to the ethereal substance that permeates the universe and serves as the substratum of all things. In Hindu philosophy, Akasha is one of the 5 elements, Pancha Mahabhuta, representing the space or ether element. In contrast, the concept of the Prima Materia has its roots in Western alchemical traditions, particularly in the works of early alchemists such as Hermes Trismegistus, Paracelsus and Jabir ibn Hayyan. The Prima Materia, also known as the first matter, is believed to be the formless raw material from which all physical substances are derived. Alchemists sought to discover and transmute the Prima Materia into the Philosopher's Stone, a legendary substance with the power to transform base metals into gold and grant immortality. Moving beyond their historical origins, we can explore the philosophical and metaphysical significance of Akasha and the Prima Materia. Both concepts are deeply intertwined with the fundamental questions of existence, creation, and transformation. In Hindu and Buddhist thought, Akasha is the undifferentiated primordial matter pervading the boundless space of the universe and acting as a substratum from which differentiated matter manifests. It is often associated with the concept of shunya, a neutral state of nothingness, and is seen as the medium through which consciousness and energy permeate the cosmos. Similarly, the Prima Materia in alchemy symbolises the formless potentiality that underlies all material manifestations. Alchemists viewed it as the starting point of the great work, the process of spiritual and material transformation leading to the attainment of the Philosopher's Stone. The Prima Materia embodies the alchemical principle of solve et coagula, the dissolution and reconstitution of elements to achieve higher states of being. Both Akasha and the Prima Materia have been subject to extensive symbolic and allegorical interpretations, reflecting their multifaceted nature and esoteric significance. In Hindu and Buddhist cosmology, Akasha is often associated with the Akashic records, a metaphysical repository of all knowledge and experiences. It is seen as the medium through which the past, present and future are interconnected, and is believed to be accessible through deep meditation and spiritual practices. Similarly, the Prima Materia in alchemy is laden with symbolic associations, representing the unmanifest potentiality that underlies the manifested world. It is often depicted as a chaotic or formless substance, symbolising the raw material of the soul's transformation. The alchemical quest to transmute the Prima Materia into the Philosopher's Stone is interpreted as a metaphor for the inner journey of self-realisation and spiritual enlightenment. In contemporary times, the parallels between Akasha and the Prima Materia continue to captivate the imagination of scholars, spiritual seekers, and practitioners of esoteric traditions. The concepts have been reinterpreted and integrated into various metaphysical and spiritual frameworks, offering insights into the nature of reality, consciousness, and transformation. In the realm of quantum physics and cosmology, the concept of Akasha finds resonance in the exploration of the unified field theory and the interconnectedness of all phenomena. Some theorists have drawn parallels between Akasha and the quantum vacuum, the underlying field of energy and potentiality from which particles and forces emerge. Likewise, the symbolism of the Prima Materia has been embraced in psychological and transpersonal frameworks, where it is seen as a metaphor for the unconscious and the process of individuation. Jungian psychology in particular has explored the alchemical symbolism as a map of the psyche's journey towards wholeness and self-realization. In conclusion, the parallels between Akasha and the Prima Materia offer a rich tapestry of philosophical, metaphysical and symbolic insights into the nature of existence and transformation. Their historical, cultural and contemporary significance continues to inspire exploration and contemplation, inviting us to delve deeper into the mysteries of the cosmos and the human spirit.